what you need to change, but in our case we are good to go. So I'm gonna hit next and I'm going to hit publish. Boom, and voila, we should be yes, perfect, back in the game. This is your first YouTube short and you're ready to go. You're ready to start making those sweet affiliate commissions from ClickBank. So I can open a new tab right now and just paste my link to see how the video looks like, the one we just uploaded, and let's see. Pretty good. There you go. Click the link below. Click below for more woodworking tips. They're going to see that, and look what we have. They're going to click the link below, which is this link. They're going to click that link, and guess what? They're going to be redirected to the ClickBank woodworking offer where they can purchase their woodworking plans, and we are going to make our money. All right, fellas, that's about it for today. Smash the like button if you think you've learned something today, and also hit subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon.